everyone, I'm Kaya from Rapid. Today, I'd like to share with you how to address the challenges of handling high precision threaded holes during the anodizing process of aluminum parts. As we all know, anodizing is a critical surface treatment for aluminum parts. It significantly improves corrosion resistance and enhances aesthetics. However, anodizing can present certain challenges when it comes to high-precision threaded holes. To be specific, if the threaded holes are covered by the anodized layer, it can lead to out-of-tolerance threads. Additionally, an overly thick anodized layer can impact electrical conductivity. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid these issues during the anodizing process. Let me share a real case with you. We worked on an aluminum mounting bracket for a precision industrial instrument. This part had 4 and 1.6 threaded holes with a tolerance of plus and minus 0.03 mm. If we had anodized it directly, the anodized layer would have shrunk the hole diameter by approximately 8 microns, exceeding 50% of the tolerance. To solve this problem, we implemented 2 key steps. The first step, laser masking. Before anodizing, we use UV laser to apply a 0.1 mm wide protective layer inside the threaded hole to prevent the anodized coating from covering it. The second step, secondary finishing. After anodizing, we use a tungsten carbide glue rotating at 20,000 RPM to retach the threads, ultimately controlling the hole diameter error within plus and minus 0.02 mm. This solution increased the cost by only 2 yuan per piece, but it boosted the client's product pass rate from 75% to 98%, significantly improving their production efficiency and product quality. This case perfectly illustrates our core philosophy. The implementation of anodizing process requires careful consideration of various factors. We adapt the process based on the specific needs and characteristics of each part to ensure high precision. If you are facing any challenges with anodizing or other surface treatments, feel free to reach out to us. The Rapid engineering team is always ready to turn technical challenges into your competitive advantage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow our channel for more professional insights.